Well, some of you who fly a lot, and I'm pretty sure most of you who are in this room, like us, fly a whole lot. And occasionally, if you fly to different parts of the world or inter-island, you might see this good-looking young man. He kind of looks handsome like us, but he's very thin like us as well. Muscular, also like us. Of course, we got to tell you the truth. This guy is a fabulous hula dancer in his own right. And we are going to call upon this flight attendant at this time, who today is serving you great food, great drinks. And he's going to do for you a song that speaks about limu, the fabulous limu that we find in our ocean, a song that was written by the late hula master Edith Kanakaole. We want to introduce Tawari'i to you. How about a hand for Tawari'i, everybody? So he's going to do for you this song entitled Ka Uluwehi o Ke Kai.
He hoe no ke aku, ke kai mo na nuhina. Ui ke aloha e i ho i re hei, me ke ala o ka lipoa.
He hoe no ke aku, ke kai mo na nuhina. Ui ke aloha e i ho i re hei, me ke ala o ka lipoa. Lipo I hai theo e ne hinu he lai tala ke ia e mamana he pono ke e lipo I hai theo e ne hinu he lai tala ke ia e mamana he pono ke
O e kalimuro, ke kauiru na makula. Oi ano kuranga e ho, oni ani o I ane.
O e kalimuro, ke kauiru na makula. Oi a makula e ho, oni ani o I ane. Mai tapua alipo me kalimuko o bilio e tapa he anoni me kalimalu Haina mai tapua alipo me kalimuko o bilio e tapa he anoni me kalimalu.
Everybody, Mr. Hawaiian Airlines, Tawari'i. Hey!
For the record, he looks a lot skinnier than us. I'll just be the honest one.
Just a tad.
Notice you said look. He's not just looks it, he is.
Yun app.
Hey, Tawari'i, are you guys dancing in Merry Monarch this year?
All right.
Woohoo! So be on the lookout for Kaleo Olaka I Kahikina o Kala. That halau, that's the halau that Tawari'i dances for. I think they have a good shot of placing quite high. Not being biased.